Let us now do third question of exercise 10.2 class 9 maths chapter circle. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, दो chords हैं जो equal हैं और वो circle के बीच में intersect कर रही हैं, we have to prove that the line joining the point of intersection to the center make equal angle with the chords. Let us draw the circle and then see. So this is the figure of the circle and these are the two chords that are intersecting at the point E. So when we will write given, we will write that AB and CD are two chords intersecting at the point E. Intersecting at point E. So and they are intersecting and they are equal also. AB is equal to CD, right? Now what I want to prove is I want to prove कि जो ये एंगल बना रहा है, ओके क्वेश्चन था लाइन जॉइनिंग द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, ये है पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन टू द सेंटर, ओके मेक इक्वल एंगल विद द कॉर्ड्स. वो यहाँ पे जो एंगल बन रहा है वो इक्वल है, मतलब आई वांट टू प्रूव कि एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2. ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल हैं. अगेन कंस्ट्रक्शन करो, यहाँ पे लो परपेंडिकुलर. So firstly I want to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Then I will do the construction that draw OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to CD. अगर ये perpendicular है then what will happen? It will bisect the chord, right? एक तो bisect the chord होता है. और अगर ये दो chords equal हैं then I can say that their distance from the center is equal. So I can say that OL is equal to OM. Now let us do the proof in triangle OLE and triangle OME. Angle L is equal to angle M, each 90, right? Each 90. Then or OE is equal to OE common, R H and OL is equal to OM. Reason, equal chords are equidistant from the center of a circle. हमने एक थ्योरम की थी from the center of a circle, right? Therefore I can say that triangle OLE is congruent to triangle OME by RHS rule, and therefore I can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT, hence proved. That's it. This is question number 3, right? So don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Bye.